Unlike any other stone found on Earth, coal accumulates enormous energy beneath its dusty black surface, energy that brings the light of hope in million eyes, push the civilization forward and set the benchmark of power. Krishnashila, which means the black stone in Sanskrit, is a prolific open-cast coal mining project under Northern Coalfields Limited, a subsidiary of the Coal India Limited. The project has been producing energy-grade coal to assist electricity producers to achieve the energy aspiration of the nation. Located by the majestic Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar Dam in the Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh, Krishnashila is one of the 10 coal projects of NCL, which started its operation in 2007 with a capital investment of almost rupees 750 crores and a target of staggering 4 million tons of coal production per year. Since then, Krishnashila has taken a long path and to date has a target to produce 7 million tons of every year. The project majorly supplies its produced coal to a power plant run by Hindalco named Renu Sagar Thermal Power Plant by Belt Pipe Conveyor system and basket linkage. Spread across more than 850 hectares of land, this open-cast mining project consists of dry and hilly land elevating from 300 to 500 meters above the sea level. The shovel-dumper combination has been widely used for mining across all open-cast coal mining operation. However, to harness the best outcome regarding production, efficiency and environmental mitigation, mining here at Krishnashila also done with more sophisticated technology like surface miners. Mining has been always identified as a challenging field. People used to work under extreme and uncertain conditions for long hours, far from their usual surroundings. Thus, the safety and convenience of the fellow miners has been one of the biggest concerns for the organization. From adopting the latest technology to developing robust infrastructure for safe transportation and handling of coal, Krishnashila project always set a unique path. And not only the external development, Krishnashila has been also taking appropriate measures to reinforce the fellow miners with periodic training and consultancy. These care and support are also widely extended to the personal life of the miners.
मेरा नाम भानु प्रताप है, मैं माइनिंग सरदार हूँ और पिछले 2 साल से सुपरवाइजरी कर रहा हूँ और इस माइंस में काम करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मुझे गर्व है कि मैं कृष्णशिला में काम करता हूँ।
Well-managed residential area along with systematic roads, parks, playgrounds and shopping complex are some of the basic facilities which have been made available for all the Krishnashila employees. Dedicated schools, banks, community center and even healthcare center have been installed to ensure the comfort, convenience and security for the employees and their family. During the challenging hour of COVID-19 pandemic, to ensure that the nation does not get into an energy crisis, production of the coal was uninterrupted here in Krishnashila. It was possible because the organization has been ensuring the best procedure for prevention, treatment and recovery for all. Result, throughout the pandemic, the production continued restlessly.
वी फील प्राउड कि हम लोग इंडिया के ग्रोथ में कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि पता है कि हमारा देश विकासशील से विकसित होने जा रहा है, तो उसके लिए एनर्जी का डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा है और हमारे पास जो नेचुरल रिसोर्स अभी है वो कोयला है प्रचुर मात्रा में। तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जितना भी कंट्री का डिमांड है हम पूरा करें और आगे पूरा करते रहें।
Krishnashila project, through its corporate social initiatives, has been taking upliftment measures in the sector of rural connectivity, purified drinking water, infrastructural development, and educational initiatives. It is the environment we can less care for, So the Krishnashila project has been taking the highest measure to ensure its responsibilities towards the environment of the whole area and all its earthlings. It starts with a foresighted mine planning, keeping a prime focus on minimizing the environmental hazard. Managing and mitigating the pollutant outcome of the operation in best possible way is a year-round commitment. Dust management in the mine, residential and transit areas are continuous processes here, alongside the management of wastewater and its reuse. Regular monitoring of pollution at multiple points have enabled Krishnashila project to ensure its environmental goal to a greater extent. Reposing the wounds of mining on the Mother Earth at the best way possible is the most important goal of the project, so it has joined hands with the Forest Research Institute of Dehradun. Today, scientists, environmentalists and forest planners from this prime institute are working continuously, practically testing and developing a long-term and permanent revegetation plan to convert the mined-out area into a lush green forest what can get back to nature.
सेलेक्टिव माइनिंग इस माइन की खासियत है। आप बोल सकते हैं ग्रीन माइन में इसको ये कर सकते हैं आप लोग, तो एनवायरनमेंट का और ओबी डंपिंग का प्रॉपर सिस्टमेटिक रिक्लेमेशन करके प्लांटेशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं।
Krishnashila, or the black stone, is not just another dusty stone which has no story to tell. Krishnashila is a story of a rather small and young mine, yet it has already become the highest profiting mine of Northern Coalfields Limited, decorated with a 5-star rating by the Ministry of Coal Government of India. And the story does not end here.